Okay, so to make the stuffed scallops, you're going to put about a cup of panko. Panko breadcrumbs. Put about half a cup of Parmesan cheese. I'm eyeballing this because next you are going to zest a lemon. 4 to 5 sprigs of chives. Now, instead of grinding the Himalayan salt and black pepper, I actually found this in the store and I really love it. It has also the added garlic to it. So even though I put a nice amount of garlic in here, there's also garlic in this mixture. And I'm just going to give it a nice little sprinkle on the top. You are going to take those 4 tablespoons of butter that you melted earlier and pour it on top and give that mixture a good mix. I mean, this is going to sit on top of the base scallops that we're going to prepare in a second inside of their shells. All right, the bacon's done now, so I'm going to cut it into small chunks. Add that bacon in. Go ahead and give that a nice stir. There's one last ingredient that I like to add right before I start stuffing them. That's a little bit of wine. All right, that's ready to stuff. I'm choosing to use my stoneware by Pampered Chef. You're going to take the clean side of your base scallop shells and line them out onto a dish ahead of time. Okay, next step is to take 2 base scallops and place them into each shell. I like to do. Okay, so you're going to take your first scallop and a nice tablespoon of the breading. Plop it on top, kind of hold it there a minute to push it down. We're going to do that for all of these. So that mixture made around 22. I guess it depends on how stuffed you make them. Go ahead and sprinkle the top with a little bit more Parmesan cheese. The scallops are going to bake at 400 for about 20 minutes. Then you're going to pull them out, let them cool a little bit because those shells will be hot before you serve them. I hope you. Okay, and that's the scallops completed and ready to eat once they cool down a little bit.